Hello, today I received a brand new Stanley Black and Decker toolkit, which is a empty one, not so it's not including any tool. So just I would like to put all of my tools like wrenches. It's kind of household activities, just for household activities only. So you can utilize for this as a commercial as well. So simply you can put all your electrical items like wrenches, screwdrivers, screws, everything. Okay, so there are three cabins in this particular toolkit. So one is you can see the empty, the spacious box. So you can put all your cutting pliers, screwdrivers, wrenches, hammers, and everything over here. So after that, you can see a little bit of the another cabin, which is kind of tray. It's look like as a tray. So the third one is upper one. Okay, so you can see. So if you open this particular one, you can see a little bit of cubicles over here. So simply you can put all your screws and everything, screws, nails, everything here. Okay, so this is really beautiful and high quality. This is Black and Decker company Stanley. Which is the size of this particular toolkit is 16 inches length, 7 inches height, and 7 point something just width. It is really beautiful, high quality, and I have purchased it this around 590 rupees from Amazon. So today only I have received. So you can see the black. Okay, you can see. So this is beautiful one. You can purchase.